this next task-based specific training game is going to be for arm drags. This is developing this skill and control to be able to arm drag people, okay? We're going to start from butterfly guard, but it is up to you where you want to start. You can start from butterfly guard, you can start from half guard, you can start from Z guard. Whatever guard positions you like to try, start from there and make that your starting point. There's no point of us going through every single one of them. It'll be watching 2 hours of footage for something that you need to learn yourself and practice yourself anyway. But we're just going to start from the butterfly guard for this one to start off with. Bogdan's going to start with a fishing pole grip position, okay, whichever arm you want. We're going to start from here. Your goal is to take the back. Your goal is to stop them from taking the back.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Beautiful, very nice, very nice. I lost faith a little bit early. I thought, no, he's not going to get it. What do you do? He made it happen. Start again. Good. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. So a little bit of control necessary there, but it's good. It was a little lapse. Like I think that you were doing pretty well with that control, and then just 1 split second. Good, very good, Gina. Go again. Go. Okay, so what's giving you problems here, and I can see it, and hopefully you can too, it's his posture. He's posturing up, which is making it really hard to keep control of that. So you have to do the best you can to not let him posture up. So I want you to go back in there again and think about that, because once he's postured up, it's hard to break him down. But before he postures up, that's where you want to get. You're starting with his posture down, and that's where you want to keep him. Okay, go again. That was good, Gina. 3, 2, 1, go. What the hell is that? Do you sweep yourself in to avoid your back getting taken? You're right, is your arm okay?
Yeah.
You want me to go in there? You need a real size arm? One man's arm in there? Go. Whoopsie doopsie. So I like what you're doing. Where you're trying to go like double grips on the shoulder, which is good. But I would just make sure that when I have that position, I'm ready to go towards the back. I will do this a lot of time from over under. Let's say, Gina, you've got over under on me, and I'm in this position here, and people are under here. And whatever you can do whatever you want with this position, it's up to you. And I'll come through here, and I'll kick this arm down, but I'll keep my legs pinched, and I still keep him bent and his posture here. But then I need to get to myself to this side of him. Okay, and then I'm going to try and kick up, bring his ass further forward, and then come behind him. Okay, so what you're kind of doing is you're doing this, and then you're kind of getting here and doing that. The problem is it's hard. He's going to rotate towards north-south now, and he's going to grab my head and go north-south, and then you ended up like kind of stuck here. And then it's not that you can't finish it. I just need to keep his arm in here and get his body off of me. So it's hard. He's going to hug really tight, so I'm going to have to push his head to this side and then start wiggling my way up. But ideally, let's go back to this position, butterfly guard. When I have this, and we start from here, okay, go. I want you to try and do the same thing. What do you feel like the main difference? Sorry, what do you feel the main difference I was doing to you?
I couldn't posture up.
You couldn't posture up. I was making it really hard for him to posture up, and the reason why is if I'm here and you're pulling me down, for me to posture up, I can't even lift my own body weight off the ground now. If I go to lift my own body weight off the ground, I'm going to fall forward. Okay, I have to push myself. So what I have to do is I have to bring a leg or a knee close, and now I can posture up. Okay, so your goal is to keep these knees back. Don't let him bring those legs back. I was using mine to just keep driving him back. So come back, try one more time, and I want you to keep his knees from posturing, from coming forward. Okay, that's just for the moment. Just keep those knees back. Okay, go. Yeah, just keep those knees back. Good. Try and posture up, Gino. That's all I want you to do. Just posture up. Oh. Was it a bit better for it than harder than Gino?
Much better.
Much better. So just little things, and it's just an understanding that the posture is the killer in that position. Okay, all arm drags, posture is killer. Okay, standing, everything. So I know that if I can keep his posture down, I'm going to have an advantage. But to keep his posture down, I need to keep his legs far away. It's just like doing any kind of weight. You just understand the body mechanics of that. He has to bring something forward. And there's always the chance of when he brings something forward, you can attack that as well. You can always switch from the arm drag to attack that. But I want you guys to get so good at the arm drag that you never need to switch at all. You know what I mean? That way you and this is the way I feel like. I feel if I get this grip on you, unless you've been eating soap all night and you're sweating that out, I'm going to take your back. That's it. It's done. That's like so I have spent so much time perfecting that position that I feel so good there. You know what I mean? So I know that if I get it, I don't care who you are in the world, you're done. Okay? I have the advantage. Might not work every single time, but I have the odds in my favor compared to positions that I don't have near as much experience in. But this is something that I've worked a lot from wrestling, from jiu-jitsu, and now I feel like, and you guys have rolled me, that's probably my most dangerous attack is arm drags,
Yeah.
And I just like it, I work them a lot. And I feel very comfortable because I can hold it for a long time. I barely ever lose it. If I do, I regain it and recover it really quickly. And I know what to do from there. But I have to do it, and I've done a lot of this training like that. And you can see just in the small amount of time that you just did a couple little games then, already how much information you guys both know, what you both have to do. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Cool.